A judge has no choice but to grant the Justice Department's unusual and divisive request to dismiss New York City Mayor Eric Adams' corruption case, a court-appointed lawyer said Friday, but he recommended that prosecutors be barred from ever reviving the charges so they don't hang over Adams, like the proverbial sword of Damocles. Paul Clement, who represented the federal government before the Supreme Court as President George W. Bush's Solicitor General, delivered the recommendation to Manhattan federal Judge Dale E. Ho in papers filed 2 weeks after Ho appointed him to provide neutral advice on the case. In a written submission, Clement told Ho that there was ample reason to dismiss the prosecution without granting the Justice Department's request to be able to refile them after this year's mayoral election, which would leave a prospect that hangs like the proverbial sword of Damocles over the accused. He added, "Such an ongoing prospect of re-indictment is particularly problematic when it comes to the sensitive task of prosecuting public officials. There is an inherent risk. Once an indictment has been procured, the prospect of re-indictment could create the appearance, if not the reality, that the actions of a public official are being driven by concerns about staying in the good graces of the federal executive, rather than the best interests of his constituents." He said disallowing the refiling of the charges would eliminate the distinct appearance problems inherent in a